people not only in Malaysia, maybe in Indonesia and Thailand also, because son and daughter they go how the good thing for their parent first way. So go to Chiang Mai for worship, for Busha, for offer foods, for do the good thing they can do on this month. That is one way for we can do for our ancestor for sins who passed away. In Tipitaka said about Petapiri, we offer we transfer it to the closing to the people who passed away also. So nowadays when we are do Sanghadana offer food to Pante Tudong or Sanghathan for monk for Sangha is the name of 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 Sanghatana Sanghathan. So the Sangha monks of Pante modern step from the floor Pante more and more visit Sangha. Not enough for monk cannot say about Sangha. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and more in the tradition of Buddhist we call Sangha สมมุติสังฆะสงฆ์สมมุติหรือว่าภิกษุสงฆ์ so that now we offer to Sangha is have the most and more benefit more than the basic to the one person or basic to the one Pante or two Pante, but needs to offer this dana this water this thing we offer to Sanghathan for the whole Sangha, for the whole monk, not specific to only 1 or 2 months. There's many benefit of bunya have Paranisonghet benefit of bun more and more. So why in Tipitaka said many of like have some have scripture have the teaching Vedana the some fruits so to animal 10 times or 100 times. We can got the bunya benefit of bun less than give to 1 time to humans. Give the nana to human 100 times. We will got the benefit of dana less than 1 time. We give the person who have sila or precept, like who take care, who got 5 precept, 8 precept, 10 precept for Samanera or 227 precept of Bhikkhu Sangha. So like this, more and more benefit of the bunya or merit with people have more and more benefit about bun. When we do everything like Vidana, we got precept, one piece, 5 precept, or do meditation. We have joy, we have happiness, like we have the pun, have merit. So after we Adana Sankhathana or Mataka Padana, Mataka Padana ni, Mataka Padana ni, Mataka Padana ni is some of the dana, food, water, and with some medicine, some rope, need to send Tasapamalit to the person who passed away to another world. Mataka is offer food for all who passed away in another world. So this tradition is a time for do Mataka Padana Sankhathan for the closing for the ancestor who passed away. Important for not any Buddhist, Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia, Singapore also. I think it's important. Like we need food, we need clothes, we need water to drinks, for drinks. The purpose when we eating, because it's that toys the hungry, we are full. When we after hungry, we eat, we full. We have breakfast, we have lunch, we full. The benefit, the purpose like that. We need to flow about the so destroy, so control about the hungry. Same also the person who passed away, like our cousin, maybe grandfather, grandmother, son or daughter, the cousin who passed away. So they got think about when our cousin will send the merit, send the fruit, send the water to them. If he cannot do for this earth, can not give, not offer, not do anything good, maybe gonna have problem in the another world after he passed away. So why Bunya Merit is important for people by Nasila. We're putting for our life. Anumothana Sadhu for all of you and people beside road also from Malaysia. Sehat-sehat bahagia. Ayat satu nak kujung doa kalau tahan. Sehat-sehat satu. On the way. So, Anumothana Sadhu. Tuhan kujung. Anumothana. Sehat-sehat bahagia. Terima kasih for follow, for like, for share and comment and come to watching and like walk together, journey together on this morning time. Anumothana Sadhu from you. Have an idea of God and people from the village. They go need to walk together with our Sangha also. So like exercise in the morning, need to train about himself by walking, meditation, how to walk by step and step, like left and right, have mindfulness on the left, and have mindfulness in the right, left side and right side about legs, left or right, left or right. Sometimes we go call in the mind, put ho,ก็can have concentrate and mindfulness on the left side and right side in our legs, left and right also can. We can count, we can get your mind, we can speak in mind also when we are walking. So step by step, should have mindfulness by be careful นะ by be careful more and more never maybe sometimes slow sometimes fast never mind we have one step ก็ short on wrong ก็ never mind ก็ come down step by step walking we call walking meditations we can walk if we have the garden beside your house in the garden you have on the public area in the morning start walking sometimes เพิ่นกำลังก็ jogging แล้วก็ jogging and walking and jogging how to can have more concentrate can have more mindfulness สติมีสติในการก้าวประโยชน์นะขวาด้วยซ้ายลงขวาก็ซ้ายขวาไปเรื่อยๆก็โยมนะสเต็ปวันสเต็ปการเดินในพื้นราบอย่างนี้ครับ walk in the land like this are different from when walking on the mountains but they usually go to the Himalaya sometimes we consider Himalaya use my walks Himalaya ใช้ใจเดินโยมนะใช้ใจเดินก็ต้องมีการเตรียมตัว you have practice body and mind also how to control our body and mind and our breathe in and breathe out how to breathe in deep and deep breathe out long no and breathe in and breathe out control our body and set balance about balancing the elements must make your lung your heart your breath your pressure work too much or more high high pressure problem นะก็มี take care our heart take care our mind and body step by stepดิถามก็พโยมก็อนุโมทนาสาธุพโยมก็อนุโมทนาสาธุก็ที่จะมีเส้นโลดin the morning good morning time have a good day all day so you hope you happy and healthy more and more so working together นะsomeก็ maybe ก็ we can like chanting in the morning maybe ก็ Itipiso Bhagava Arahant Samma Sambuddho Vichara Sampanno Sukhato Loka Vituka we can chanting in our mind no problem sometimes ก็มี control our body and mind by we had some chanting in when walking ทำก็เข้ามาละก็เข้ามาละสมังก็ที่เข้ามาละ also for the 100x ก็episode ก็วันจบก็เข้าถึงวันทานสวัสดิ์ตัวพระตาธรรมก็วันทานสุปฏิโนพระตัวสาวโกสังฆังก็วันทานก็เข้าหมอand more ready now we are away from Takatu Moa ก็ about 2 km ก็ we got less in school for waiting for lunch time before that we have the take a little bit for breakfast and have some durian flower like Logan together. Okay, now to talk to Logan. Logan, how about the durian power?
The Durian Power.
Yes, okay, yeah. Okay, Logan. Said about durian power.
Yes. Yesterday I'm thinking about durian a lot and wishing that we can have some power from durian because I see many trees. And then incredibly and magically this morning we have abundance of durian. So our power has been fully charged, and now we will have enough power to get to Indonesia from this durian. Good morning. I wish you can all have durian also to have power in your life. I ate maybe 3 big pieces of durian. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Logan, for durian power. Logan think a lot about yesterday. Logan he missed some durian. We have not too much. Now have more durian. And on the highway, you saw about the Chiang Mai. Sudah for Chiang Mai. Terima kasih for watching comment and if about motivations and asking about the health of Pante and para people สังฆาก็now ก็โอเคก็เหมาะสนุกเหมาะแล้วก็Motana for all you for take care our Sangha for Pudong International Pudong 2025 this year. Everything happen is good. Everything happen is good. We can say that see beautiful because of the wave. ทะเลสวยเพราะมีคลื่นคุณโยมเนาะทะเลสวยเพราะมีคลื่นsometimes when we have some problem, we have some crisis in our life, or sometimes have something happen in our emotion, so like a wave. Sometimes it's a plane danger, but have some wave and more wave, small wave and big wave. To the ocean, make the sea beautiful. The ocean beautiful because have wave, but not too much. But not too much about the wave. So like something happen to our emotion. Sometimes pleasant, sometimes not pleasant. Sometimes we like, sometimes something we dislike, or when we looking, when we hearing, when we are speaking, or the other person speaking also, like a wave, is must go on and go down, happen and stop like this, like a wave. How we can look like a people looking the wave on the shore. On the shore, wave on the sea, wave open on the sea, like something happen in our mind, in our emotions. How we can look, no on, no on, no on, no on, no on, no on. Something same like our emotion. So if we are looked by mindfulness, we are looked by have the concentration about it. meditation which is a come to from the faith when we watching, when we hearing, when we smelling, when we tasting like that. Everything must stay, and must stay for a long time. Impermanence, anicca, impermanence, anicca ไม่เที่ยงนะเกิดแล้วก็ดับ start up stable and stop ได้เนี่ยเกิดขึ้นตั้งอยู่แล้วก็เป็นดับไปอยู่นะไม่มีอะไรที่คงทนถาวรไม่มีอะไรที่เราจะพอยึดถือให้เป็นจริงเป็นจังได้จะหมายมั่นปั้นมือให้เป็นไปตามที่เราต้องการได้ประโยชน์ทุกสิ่งทุกอย่างก็เป็นเช่นนั้นเถิดอาจารย์ Everything is impermanent everything is avoided and emptiness in itself so we like a guest come to this world we like a guest come to this world we cannot take anything from this world as of the good or bad or karma which we are do in daily life which we are do in daily life so how we can do the good thing how we can do the bad we can do in daily life คุณโยมนะก็อนุโมทนาสาธุนะก็ for the good thing for you do for your cousin for your parent for your ancestor in this time ก็อนุโมทนาสาธุfor the Chinese people now is a time of Chengmeng they go to the hometown they go to the tomb of ancestor for do the good thing for him it's all about the get food for parent for ancestor อนุโมทนาสาธุ for the good thing you do in daily life in every day and Chengmeng day อนุโมทนาสาธุ for joy your government and the good energy you send don't forget about the compassion from your heart don't forget the compassion from your heart more and more watching the flower watching the compassion from your heart every day more and more what the color what the type of flower in your heart small or big less or more so this is more and more and more about the compassion in your heart now selamat pagi selamat hari raya Idul Fitri for all Muslim also now อนุโมทนา for all you for the care for the Tuhan working for tolerance working for harmony working for peace in our mind and it have grow peace and it have harmony and have the tolerance in every person to every person we can live together we can do together we can amothana together for everything we do the good thing for our world now happening crisis happening problem in our world how we can take care preserve world by compassion for the good energy for we have for our heart we can do we can help each other we can serve our world our planet now our earth sick have earthquake have flood have problem about our volcano from so how we can preserve how we can do the best we can do in daily life good energy good heart compassion power feeling good in your feeling and you watching and you thinking when you talking send a good energy good thought make do it good speak good คิดดีทำดีพูดดีเป็นอย่างนั้นin daily life in daily day every day ก็อนุโมทนาสาธุ for all of you for watching more and moreติด on the way for go to มั่วก็ Terima kasih for Malaysia for welcome for all you who are Muslim คงชื่อเตาBuddhist and our Buddhist ก็อนุโมทนา for take care อนุโมทนา for send a good thing to each other อนุโมทนา for your good thing for your parents for your cousin for your ancestor on Chengmeng Day อนุโมทนาสาธุสาธุterima kasih อนุโมทนา for all of you for take care yourself for take care people beside you นะpapa mama who have sick take care them offer them feed them like a good person should be do นะก็อนุโมทนา for you for do this in the name of in behalf of สังฆทุดงค์2075ก็อนุโมทนาสาธุสาธุสาธุก็โยมที่ได้เป็นการมาอนุโมทนาสาธุสาธุแล้วก็we walk from Thailand ก็ nearly 60 days 2 months we have 1 month in Malaysia before pass the border and plan to Singapore for day after then go by any road to shipping to go to Batam after Batam go fly to Jakarta to Jakarta 18 to Borobudur อนุโมทนาสาธุ for all you for comment for join and watching Papa everything you do not for the good thing ก็สาธุสาธุ in the good time in the bad time in daily life on every day we go to school for take lunch and rest yeah terima kasih sehat-sehat bagi semua-semua of you semoga bagi hope you all of you healthy happy more and more don't destroy don't throw about the good thing the power in your heart the good thing feeling good in your heart good energy when speaking when thinking and when doing more and more good if it more and more good อะไร in daily life and every day we be good people decide our good also because the good thing is good good is good the good is good ก็อนุโมทนาสาธุ for all you for comment for watching like for sehat for semangat for sangka ada para bhikkhu in Thudong 2025 on this year ก็Pante 4 months nowก็ we are okay now on the way from Tangka to Moa we will rest at the society Buddhist society of Moa Chunais today we can keep working go 30 kilometers we start in the morning go 6 o'clock now we nearly the place we have take rest and have lunch and people from millet and association by BMU offer food and do sangkhatana do mataka sangkhatana for ancestor and people who pass away sangkhatana food and offer jiwara also pangsukura jiwon ก็อนุโมทนาสาธุ Now we are in the here school we will let there and have lunch. Terima kasih for watching. Terima kasih for all you for comment นั่นหัวนะ school รวมนั้นนี่ก็ section time we let there like 2023 also อนุโมทนาสาธุโสเดวันนันหัวนันหัวfor anything for สาธุโยมสาธุ we are already love โยมนะอนุโมทนาคุณพ่อมาจะเอาอยู่ for take care เอาสังฆาโยมก็ขอให้ทุกท่านมีส่วนแห่งบุญแห่งกุศลกับคณะสงฆ์โดยทั่วถึงกันทุกประการก็มีราย already we will take so after that go one day we willมีประสงค์จะเป็นก็อยากอยู่ทางเท้าอาจารย์
chào các mẹ, các chị chào mẹ.
Có được khoai này thằng này giờ mà có được cách cái này rồi.
请大家记住，在椅子上就坐，谢谢。
ถึงแล้ว
นี่นะครับมันจะเป็นที่คอนเสิร์ตนะครับสุดยอดต้องชมต้อง
หน้าห้านของแท้ครับ
ตอนนี้ก็เอาตัวนี้แล้วก่อนก็จะให้ไปรับขนมครับผมก่อนจมเรียนในก็อนุโมทนาสำหรับคุณโยมเนาะที่ watching live this morning แล้วก็ be waiting for everybodyมาฟังก่อนto join satu this morning satu terima kasih jumpa offer food in the morning karena all you thank you and put on the okay for all you for everything for and your family and your heart and your activity and daily life. Satu terima kasih Ayom no warna buồn sำหรับ this morningขอให้ all of you have healthy and happy อนุโมทนา for the good thing in Tudong Mangdu by Shanti in the morning walking for have mindfulness have joy and happiness hope you are happy and healthy and do good thing also ก็อนุโมทนาสาธุสาธุสาธุขอความสุขขอความเจริญ blessing for all of you have a good health ด้วยพร4ประการคืออายุวรรณสุขภาระ for the good thing for the that you have the more own have the have the right skin have the long life have a power have power the blessing for all of you อนุโมทนาสาธุterima kasih sehat-sehat bahagia semua satu see you after this after we are take lunch already now need to late and need to take some break นะพยมเนาะอนุโมทนา see you later for watching for like for comment and follow for พิสุทธิ์พัฒนาแล้วก็ hope you are healthy and happy more and more for the good day for you see you later เอาดีโยมมินาตีโยมเมนลี่โยมJamiko and all of you also for watching my อนุโมทนาสาธุterima kasihเนาะ see you later see you online again นะ see you later this is good สาธุโยมเสื้อจีเนาะเสื้อจีอนุโมทนาสาธุโยมเอลี่โยมมินาติโยมติน and allโยมErnie also นะโยมเด็กsee you later สาธุ see you bye bye see you later